In workplace safety, the terms hazard and risk are often used interchangeably, but they mean very different things. Understanding the difference is crucial for identifying dangers and preventing injuries. A hazard is anything that has the potential to cause harm. This could be an object, a substance, an activity, or even a workplace condition. Some common examples include heavy machinery that could cause crush injuries, slippery floors that could lead to falls, loud noise that could damage hearing over time, or hazardous chemicals that may cause burns or respiratory issues. A risk, on the other hand, refers to the likelihood that a hazard will actually cause harm, as well as the severity of the potential injury or damage. Risk depends on several factors, including how dangerous the hazard is, how often people are exposed to it, and what control measures are in place. For example, a wet floor is a hazard, but the risk of someone slipping depends on whether there's a warning sign, how many people pass through the area, and how quickly the spill is cleaned up. Similarly, working at heights is a hazard, but the risk of falling is much higher if workers aren't provided with safety harnesses or guardrails. Managing workplace safety means identifying hazards and assessing the risk they pose. This allows businesses to implement the right control measures, such as barriers, signage, personal protective equipment, or safe work procedures to reduce the risk of harm. By recognizing hazards and assessing risks, workplaces can create safer environments and prevent injuries before they happen.